The PNP and CRPO notes a significant decline in crime incidents in Metro Manila. Let's hear the details of this report from Aya Macalma.
Due to the intensive anti-illegal drug operations of the Philippine National Police, the number of death toll continues to rise. Based on the latest data of the PNP, the number of deaths reached to 194 from July 1 till July 19 of this year from the police drug operation in the country. While the National Capital Region Police Office or NCRPO data showed they have recorded 70 deaths. Because of this, a very significant change in the crime trend that the PNP noticed. According to NCRPO Director Chief Superintendent Oscar Albayalde, that every operation they do, they make sure that every human rights was observed.
But what is funny here is parang walang nagki-claim din sa kanila. Parang wala ding relatives na nagki-claim sa kanila. So isa ring parang complaint ng ating mga funeral parlors ngayon na walang nagki-claim dun sa mga namamatay, no? Yung mga nagiging na-neutralize ng ating mga kapulisan. O konti daw ang kiniklaim ng mga kamag-anak.
NCRPO gave out the latest data which showed the downward trend to crime reported to them in NCR region alone. The first semester of 2015, the total number of crime reached to more than 10,000, while the weekly average crime reached to 417. While the second semester of 2015 was more than 13,000, but the weekly average of the crime rate was 535, which means the recent data shows that the crime went down to more than 100 reported since Duterte's administration started their campaign against illegal drugs.
Na bumaba yung ating street crimes. These are all considered street crimes kasi nangyari sa streets. Ito ang epekto ng ating kampanya laban sa droga because most of the street crimes are related sa illegal drugs. Malaki ang pinagbago ng ating crime rate, particularly sa NCR. This is just for NCR alone.
However, despite the increase of number of death toll in the country during anti-illegal drug operations, Albayalde was firm that they can attain their mission by removing illegal drugs and crimes in the country. For the PTV News, this is Waywaya Macalma.
Hi! Ako si Ria Fernandez. Mag-subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang ang subscribe button.